नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन के क्वेश्चंस लेके आई हूँ। एमसीक्यूज हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम इज यूज्ड फॉर इनक्रिप्टिंग सिग्नल, इनक्रिप्टिंग एंड हाइडिंग सिग्नल और नन ऑफ द मेंशन। सी, स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम is used for encrypting and hiding the signal. What are spread spectrum signals? These are used for military applications, okay, in wireless communication, in order to provide the secure communication, as the narrowband signals get easily jammed by the other signal in the same band. Since this is the narrowband signal, this is the wideband signal. Okay, this narrowband signal can easily be blocked, can easily be jammed by the other signal in the same band. But what is the spread spectrum signal? That it means to spread the signal over a wide frequency band, okay, in order to prevent the jamming effect, in order to prevent the interference. That's why it is used to provide the secrecy of the information. Next question is, which is a quantization process? You know, rounding, truncation? No, it's both rounding and truncation. Okay, rounding and truncation are the two methods by which the quantization process is done. That means you can also say the discretization along the amplitude axis and discretization along the time domain. This is called as quantization. This you know, na? So the process of the rounding of the uh, amplitude values to a finite set of values, okay, this is quantization. Next question is, quantization is what? It is few to few mapping, or it is many few to many, or many to few mapping. So quantization is many to few mapping, okay. Next question is, uh, I think that the question I have skipped. 1 minute. um, See, this is related to the quantization question again, and I think that see, here you can write it as quantization, okay. That is, here you can write it as quantization is a non-linear process or reversible process, or non-linear and reversible, or none of the mention. So quantization is a non-linear process. Actually, it is a non-linear and irreversible process. It cannot be reversed. It is irreversible process, okay. Next question is, see, which conveys more information? High probability event, low probability event, high and low probability event, or none of the mention. See, if the event has the least probability to occur, then it will convey more information. For example, if a dog bites man, that it has the high probability that a dog can bite the man. But if you hear in the news that a person has bitten, a person bites a dog, so it is the least probability event to occur, to take place. So high probability event generally conveys less information than a low probability event, and if the event is low probability, then it will convey more information. It will convey more information, okay. So the answer is B option. Next question is, if the channel is noiseless information and conveyed and dash, and if it is useless channel. See, there are two types of channel to be talked about here in this question. Channel one is noiseless and the second useless. See, noiseless, if the channel is noiseless, then the information conveyed is 1, that means 100% if there is no noise. And if it is useless, then channel information conveyed is 0, because if uh, there is no information to be transmitted from source to the destination side, it is of no use to send it through any transmission media like channel or channel. So the answer will be that if the channel is noiseless, the information conveyed is 1, that means 100%. If it is useless, then the channel information conveyed is 0, okay. Next question is, the mutual information between a pair of events. Mutual information, this is I, this is H is the entropy and I is the information. So generally you have heard that information, mutual information between a pair of events can be positive, negative and 0. So it is all of the mentioned, okay. Next question is, the output of source encoder is an analog signal. The output of the source encoder, always it is a sequence of the binary digits. It is a sequence of binary digits. The conversion of source output to the digital form is done in source encoder. Source encoder में हम क्या करते हैं? We convert source output to digital form. Source output to digital form. So this is actually the false, because here the output is given in analog form. Output should be a sequence of binary digits, that is, it should be discrete or digital in nature. Next one is the output of an information source is random, deterministic. The output of any source of information is random in nature. That means it is unpredictable. It cannot be defined easily. It is unpredictable. Deterministic matlab which can be defined within a period of time. So it is random in nature. Random and deterministic, no. Any information source gives the random output, because it has to be passed through the channel also, na? The channel is noisy also. Channel is also noisy in nature. Next question is, when the base of logarithmic is e, the unit of measure of information is nats. The unit of measure of information is determined based on the base of logarithm. If the base is e, then the unit will be nats. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. Please help me to reach the 1000k subscribers. I think that it has gone hanged. Thank you.